Hi students, today we are going to discuss the chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Okay, so see here, first topic it is curve. What is mean by curve? A plane curve is a curve that lies in a single plane or a plane surface like paper. Okay, so look here, this is a paper. Okay, this is example for plane curve. Okay, so see here, so if you start from one side, so the ending also should be there in the same point, that is called curve. So here few examples given. Closed curve. So the first figure, it is called closed curve. So look here, it's starting like this and the ending place also, it's there in the same point. So the next, move to the next one, simple closed curve. So here, look here, only one starting place and ending place is there. So the next one, it is simple curve. Simple curve means it's like a circle. Okay. Complex curve. Complex curve means it looks like 8. Okay. So these are all few examples for the closed curve. Next you see open curve. There is no ending point for this. Okay, where you are starting, there should be end. Look here, open curve, it starts from here, it's ending in some other place. Okay, this is called examples for open curves. Okay, move to the next one. Polygons. What do you mean by polygons? A polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by 3 or more straight sides that meets in pairs in the same number of vertices and do not intersect other than at these vertices. Okay. So for this polygon, first point, it is a straight line. Okay, it's a straight line. There is no intersection for this. It won't cross any place. Okay, look here. Two types of polygons are there. Regular polygon. Look here. It is a triangle. Okay, it consists of 3 sides. Okay, look here. It both 3 sides are equal and the 3 angles also equal. Okay, so the next one you see square. It has 4 sides. Next one, it is called square. It has 4 sides. Okay, so 4 sides also equal and 4 angles also equal. So if the sides and angles are equal, they are called regular polygon. They are called regular polygon. What do you mean by a regular polygon? If the polygon has the equal sides and equal angles, they are called regular polygon. Next one, irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. So look here, example is there, same triangle, but the triangle sides are not equal. Okay, only one right angle is there. The sides are not equal. Next you see rectangle also like that. The sides are only opposite sides are equal, but the 4 sides are not equal. These are called irregular polygon. Okay. So move to the next one. Parts of a polygon. Parts of a polygon. Listen carefully, it's very simple. Okay, so look here, here one diagram is there. This is the example for polygon. So it has 4 edges. Okay, 4 edges. This is called 4 sides also. So look here, the end points of the sides of polygons are called vertices. So A, B, C, D, these are called the vertices of a polygon. When naming a polygon, its vertices are named in consecutive order, either clockwise or counterclockwise. So means like this. So look here, I am starting from A. The sides are side AB, BC, CD and DA. It moves like this. Otherwise, side AD, DC, CB and BA. So like this we can write the names. So consecutive sides are two sides that have an end point in common. So consecutive side means continuous side. See, look here, AB, BC. For this, B is the common one. Okay, AB and BC. For this, B is the common one. So next one you see, the four-sided polygon in figure below would have the named. So we can give the polygon name overall. The polygon name we can give ABCD, BC, DA or ADCB. These are all the examples. Means polygon names we can give many ways. So it does not matter with which letter you begin as long as the vertices are named consecutively. So there won't be any problem. You can start from any vertices. Okay, you can give the name from any vertices. So look here, sides AB and BC are examples for consecutive sides. Already I told you this. Okay, so there are four pairs of consecutive sides in this polygon is there. There are four pairs of consecutive sides. Consecutive means it is coming continuously. Okay, next one. So the continuation of this diagonal. Okay, what do you mean by diagonal? So look here, the definition has given here, a diagonal of a polygon in any segment that joins two non-consecutive vertices. So already I told you consecutive means it is coming continuously. S and T and T and U. These are all consecutive. But here you see diagonal means it's joining two non-consecutive. Non-consecutive means look here, S and T. Sorry, S and U. This is one diagonal. Okay. Look here, T it is not there. So S, U it is one diagonal. And you can see here T, Q. This is one diagonal. Q, S. Okay, Q, S it is one diagonal. R, T one diagonal. Okay. So see here 5 vertices are there. So this one it consists of 5 diagonals. Look here. The segments QS, QS, SU, UR, RT and QT are the diagonals in this polygon. Diagonals of a polygon can be found with the formula. So for finding the diagonal, here we are having one formula, n square minus 3n divided by 2. Okay, this is the diagonal formula, n square minus 3n divided by 2. This is the finding the diagonal formula. Next, we will see the